Hey, what's up, garden gang? So today I'll be harvesting my rainbow mixed carrots that I planted last year from seed. I started growing them back, I think, if I'm not mistaken, in August of last year. And let me see if the sun is washed off from the rain. So these are the carrots, and as you can see, look, they look like they're well overdue for harvesting. From what I can see, I have 2 containers, and also these are popping out. Look at that. Look at that. So, okay, so now I have my chair ready. Let's dig in. Let's see how they turn out. So, I'm excited, you guys. These are my first carrots that I'll be harvesting, and I'm just excited to see. Oh, wow. This is the very first carrot. Look at it. Look big around the edge of it. It's not really that long. I don't know what I was thinking. I thought it was gonna be huge, but it's a little short little carrot. This is interesting. This is a little short little red one, and this is a little funny shaped one. So they're not really that big, what I was expecting. Been in here for some months, so I was expecting these to be huge. I don't know what I was expecting, but I thought it was going to be bigger than this. Look at that. So that's a little nice size one. The color wise, I've been getting red and this little tan color. No other colors than that. Here's another tan color one. These are 2 different colors, but it's still not that big, not as big as I was thinking. I don't know what color this one is. This looked like to be a black one. You can look at that. It's a little odd shaped one. So we have 1 container down and 1 more to go. So let's see. Now this is an interesting one. Look at that. This is a pretty long one. I wonder if it, because the bucket is longer than this container, is why this one came out so long. Look at that. That's probably about 12 inches. Look at that. And so actually I used 2 different varieties of carrots. One is this Burpee Organics, and the other are these Fair Morris. Look at that. Look at that. Look at that. Look at that. But yeah, so mostly several orange in here. But look at that. But that's it, you guys. I will talk to you all later. Look at this. I just want to show you this. Just interesting, all the different shapes and sizes. No 2 that look alike. It's interesting how all the carrots in the stores just look all the same, and when you grow your own, none of them are the same. And mind you, these all started the same. Literally, I started growing from seed the same day, and they all are different shapes, different sizes, some small. Look at that. Look at this. This is it's about 10-12 inches. But none of them are the same size or shape. That's interesting. All right, guys, I will talk to y'all later. Bye.